constant issue of how to get a permanent place for Mishkan, which we're in right now, but it took quite a while to get there. And you know, we gradually, and we used to have to carry the ark around wherever the services were going to be. Somebody would have to have a van and stick it in the back of their van.
Right, because what would happen, we would have regular services at Stratford Friends School in the library. But when it would be a bar mitzvah and it was a much bigger group, you'd have to find a place to have your child service, you know. And so the ark was made the right size, actually to fit into Rabbi Brian's Ford Taurus station wagon. That was the dimensions it had to be. Yeah. I mean, it would be great if he had a bigger car, but that was the minimum. It had to fit into his Ford Taurus station wagon.
You know, it's a very traditional thing that you're migrating, you know, because you don't have a place.
Very wandering kind of thing through the desert.